Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make text bigger on Snapchat. So in the Snapchat nowadays, people are sending too much bigger or too much smaller message in the Snapchat. So for that, it is very simple. You have to just simply open up Snapchat application first. So after opening up the Snapchat application first, you have to just simply open up any of the chat. So you guys can see I have already opened up any of the chat, and here in the chat section, you have to just simply click on send a chat. So it will open up your phone or your phone keyboard. So what it can do is now you have to just simply write any of the word which you want to make bigger or smaller. So assume that I'm just writing hi. So now you guys will be able to see the arrows icon which is right next to hi button. So you guys will be able to see these arrow icon. You guys have to just simply long tap on these arrows icon and simply swipe up or swipe down. Swipe up for bigger text and swipe down for larger text. So I have just clicking on long pressing on this arrow icon and simply dragging up. So you guys will be able to see it is constantly increasing the size. So as much as you can, you guys can do this. So I'm just selecting this one. So you have to just simply release that and it will automatically send to center. So you guys will be able to see I am just releasing it and our bigger text has been sent to the chat. So in order to send the lower text, for example lower text, and you have to just simply search for hi, and here you have to just simply again long press on this arrows icon and simply swipe down. So after swiping that down, you guys will be able to see the size has been decreasing. So after releasing that, it will send the smallest and bigger text. So you guys will be able to see this is the way to make text bigger or smaller on the Snapchat. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.